Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to disassemble the Shark Turbo Blade XL. Start by removing the blades. Make sure they are pointing directly forward in a horizontal position. Stand behind the unit and place one hand on each side of the blade assembly. Push down or give the blades a strong, firm tug until they pop out. Set them aside safely. Next, remove the pole from the base. Rotate the base counterclockwise as far as it will go. Find the small opening behind the pole and insert the flathead screwdriver into the slot. Press inward toward the center to release the internal clip. While holding the clip open, continue rotating the pole counterclockwise and lift it away from the base. Now detach the base plate. Carefully flip the unit upside down and locate the release latch on the underside. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently lift the latch. Rotate the base plate counterclockwise until it comes off completely. At this point, the Shark Turbo Blade XL has been disassembled into its main parts and is ready for cleaning or maintenance. Thanks for watching.